This is part 4 of the rear bar series. If you haven't already seen it, go and check it out. I've got the videos up on my TikTok and Instagram. I've got some new stickers out for the cars. Got a few of these. Give me a shout and I'll post one out for you. Okay, so here we have the tyre carrier. Just putting a load of welding. Okay, next up we actually pulled the full rear bar off, put it on a bench so we could get all the angles grinded out. So as you can see, we've got both sides done here. This is the complete wheel carrier. It just needs a bit more welding, a bit more grinding out. We've also got some new merch out. WA Wild Treks embroidered. Drop a comment or give me a message if you want one of those hats. There's one more part after this and then we're sending it off for powder coating. Hit follow.